Not me. Guys, it's so cool. Where's the other? Um, I am freezing. Not the microphone. Uh, I just saw it. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I'm gonna try go on YouTube and tingy. Good night, Natalie. Good night, guys. So I'm streaming on both devices. So run on over to my YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up, guys. If you are not following me on YouTube, go ahead and do that right now. It's Anne's Happy Place. Ooh, but it's so cold. It just started snowing, you know. I'm freezing. Cut the cars. Ooh, this, yeah. Me too. I was watching it. Then I look outside the window and I see the road white. And I said, no, no, it's not. Let's run on over. See it? It's still snowing. It's not. It just started in the night. See it? Just started. So guys, I'm not gonna stay with it long. Me cool like, wow. I'm so cold. I'm so cold. Just freezing like hell. No. Hell no. So my hands them, it's like my hands are trembling. So the truck there for the to shovel off the ice off the road. Yeah, I'm gonna be safe. I'm gonna be going back inside because it's flipping cold. Jackie, me I freeze, you know, just to carry this too, you know, guys, you know. Me I freeze because more liquor content. Yes, man, me I be safe. Me should have put on my hat. But I'm inside, you know, I'm inside, videoing outside, but inside where there is no warmer, it's freaking cold. It's freaking cold, freaking. Yeah. It is. I'm trying to stay warm. See, it's still coming down. And they said this is not going to finish until 2 a.m. tomorrow morning. So you can't imagine when you wake up. I'm going to be doing another video tomorrow morning. Yeah, and my voice not true. Me I freeze. Come on, guys, run on over to my YouTube channel. It's Anne's Happy Place. And subscribe, like up my live. Jackie, you're not getting any? Hi, Beryl. So like, Jackie not getting no snow. Well, the weatherman is very good. I can't even show my face. Cause my ear not so well. Still good. No, it's not. Oh, lucky you. I'm in the Hudson Valley. Yeah. Yes, it is snowing. It is snowing. It is snowing and cars are still out. Everybody's still going about their business. Yeah. I think I might be Me cool for you, you know? You stay there. I'm soon gonna leave, you know. I just come for you. Because I'm not dressed properly. But cool. Cool. I can go inside before I catch cool. So, me finally I get snow, baby. Finally getting the snow. Yeah, my cousin.
Oh man, stop. No, man. No,
Yeah, my cousin.
no, so the garden, so the
Yeah, my cousin. And she come with something on her head, you know. Yeah, she them asked that all the cars be moved from the sidewalk.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's they're still there. I'm sure. You see over my sister, over there supposed to pretty over my sister. Yeah.
The prophecy of me always listen to the lady, man.
Enough me something. Enough me something. I never know say you on something. Why you don't stay in Jamaica? Me say, Kerisha, you know say me I go back home. Me sound quiet. Then if me outside I video this. Outside me there now. Not really out in the snow, but on the veranda. Yeah. Hello. Just calling to the neighbor. The neighbor is just as idle as we are. Watching the snow. Oh, what a truck. I never know say on video. Thank you, Tishby. Yay. I get stars. Thank you so much, Trish. Thank you, Tish. I'm freezing. Yeah, I'm going almost 10 minutes for you guys. Yeah, maybe tomorrow morning when I come out, it will be high and we can do a little play thing in it, but not now. I would that if I did put up on Facebook, she see the comments. Go on by your business. Go on by your business, Kerisha. Go on by your go on by your business. You can't bother with her now. Emergency vehicles going about them business. I can't bother with you, you know. I can't bother with you. Okay. Oh, she sounds stuffy. Yeah. Just to bring you content, guys. Just to bring you content. Remember to, those who are not following me on YouTube, please to go over and follow me on YouTube and Happy Pace. And like up the live. I hope I saw outside look tomorrow. Know how long I want to experience the little snow. Really? If it don't rain, but if it rain, it'll go wash off. But if it continues snowing, it's gonna be much more. No man, who tell us say no there? In there Susu man. And me outside. Yes, Beverly Francis, yeah. It's my place. T-Nation is my place, my hometown, my district, my people them. Yeah. Yes, Kerry. Yeah, me can see, you know. Yes, man. Facebook. Wanna go over to my YouTube channel, man, and come subscribe and like up the live, man, and watch my video them. What happened to no? Come on, it's on. Susu, shh. Not tell nobody. It's Anne's happy place. Anne's happy place. Anne's Happy Place. Go over, guys. Go over, go over, go over. Shh, Susu, shh. Not tell Kerisha. Kerisha too scandalous. Me don't watch the scandal, me. Thank you, Beryl. It's Anne's Happy Place. Oh, we have Jackie over there. We have Carrie Burials over there so far. Yeah. Come on, guys. So, guys, I reached 10 minutes now. So, guess what? I'm going to end this live because I am cold. I'm here not stay cold to talk to no pan when I reach inside. My ear not tan good. Alright, let's see if I can come in some more and chat a little bit more till I go over to my YouTube. Susu, go on over, go subscribe. Kerisha, go on over, go subscribe. Oh, for you no wash off already? No, because yours did come early. Our one just started. Because them did say 7 o'clock. Yeah, that's why. 3 o'clock for some places, different areas get different time. No, I'm not tell you. I'm in the Hudson Valley. I'm in the Hudson Valley, girl. The Hudson Valley area. Me I gotta tell you, man. Me I gotta tell you. Me I gotta tell you. See it, me come inside and it not so bad. What rain gonna fall? Oh, you're gonna miss it then, Trendy. You're gonna miss it. You're gonna miss it, yeah. But it's still coming down here. If you look, it's still coming down. Me know say you're there Jamaica, man. You must find somebody out there. Why you stay so long? Christmas done and New Year done. Read. You know how much a New Year today? And you're still out there, miss? Tell her our location. Tell her there. Tell her there. Tell her. Hi, Denzel. Hi. Welcome in. What kind of baby shower? Who pregnant? Are you pregnant, Carisha? 2 weeks you go there got pregnant and have baby shower already? Susu, what's going on over here? So you're coming back next week. Alright. So we are gonna leave the snow up on your car and in your driveway. When you come back you shovel them off. Pray send and rain no fall. Jesus, it'll get worse. It'll come down more. Look outside. Look. It's coming down more and more and more. Yes. You're there. Susu, not tell me nothing. Me not hear nothing about no pregnancy. Me not hear nothing. Me not hear nothing. No pregnancy business. Come on, Kerisha. You're there at Jamaica. Come send me some stars. Send me some stars and like up my live and go over my YouTube. Go send me some other stuff too. Because you have money. You're there at Jamaica 3 weeks now. You think I like a stone for stay at Jamaica so long? So, come over here, so. Them say come over here. Oh, TikTok too. Jesus, me I got TikTok. Me I got hang up. One of them me I got TikTok now too. Me I got hang up. Yeah. I need to go. I don't sex in Jamaica. My man live in New York. I think a Facebook man. I have a real man No shame. No shame. 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 Yeah, I go over TikTok now. I go hang up one of these and go over TikTok. Which one me fi hang up? Which one me fi hang up? I have 3 divide. Me have 2. She liquid out. Flat a grog, she liquid. With that comment, she liquid flat a grog. Me I tell you. Yes, guys, follow me on TikTok and Booth, same and Booth. You will see me. I think it's 212 or 12, something like that. Hang up Facebook, alright. Now I hang up Facebook. So when I come over YouTube and come over TikTok and Booth 12. Alright, so see you guys over TikTok. YouTube, I'm still here. Yeah. Let's go over TikTok. Yeah, go get some money over TikTok. Let's go make some money over TikTok. Oh, Jesus, man. My finger them are freezing. Me need my gloves. Yes. Let me see what I need to add here. Sorry guys. Sorry, I forget to YouTube go on, you know. A good thing that's sitting there click off. We're gonna make some money over TikTok. Let me change the camera. Flip camera. Put on your gloves. Me need to get my gloves. My gloves inside. My hand them freeze up. Me so cold come inside, but my hand them a freeze up. Add live goal. Let me see. Hold on, let YouTube. Hold on there. It's a must add. Who that get universe already? Add live goal. Confirm. That was C. Welcome in. Welcome in, guys. Welcome into my life. I wonder if this is conflict. Guys on YouTube, come over TikTok. Cause you know on YouTube ban me. Cheryl. Oh, welcome guys. Welcome in. You know on YouTube ban me. Here guys, so I gotta hang up YouTube. I'm gonna come over TikTok. Alright? Yes. Come over TikTok, guys. So I'm gonna hang up here. Later, Jackie, come over. Come over, Kerry. And